Yeah, good evening, students. Today is 1st November 2021, Monday. Here we are for the FreeCAD laboratory discussion, or the stepwise procedural discussion for the exercise number 2. Time permits, will be touching upon the exercise number 3 also. So here we have Mr. Subhani sir to guide you for all this second and third exercise. Over to Shubhani, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, uh, good evening, students. In the last class, so we have reproduced the first problem which was given in the manual. So hopefully, many of the students submitted within the time and uh, the whatever the submitted sheets I have evaluated and then graded. So you can see in your GCRs. Uh, Today, we will see this second one. So hopefully, if this be completed within this class, then we can move on to the third one too. So only the first one will be you will be not drawing in your theory part, and most of the further drawings which we will see in further classes, mostly will be encountered in your theory part also. So once if you're understood how to draw this drawing like theoretical method, so it will be easier to you to draw on the software. So only to know is the theoretical procedure how you draw. Okay, so even one or two classes, so then and there you can draw your drawings on your own without any our assistance, right? So we'll quickly we'll see this second one. So hopefully you might have seen in your theoretical uh, drawing also. Yeah. So the problem number two. So we'll go with the week number two also. Ask that draw an ellipse with major and minor axis equal to 120 mm and 80 mm respectively. So your major axis is 120 mm and your minor axis is 80 mm. And so your major is the x-axis and your minor is your vertical one. So using the concentric circle method, right? Uh, so if you know how to draw by using AutoCAD, so you can proceed on your own way. So will not stop. So uh, those who want to get some idea, you can watch this. Yeah. So first we'll take we'll draw the circles and then we'll proceed to other steps. Yeah. Yeah. I assume that by this time everybody might have known the default settings. So I'll be not touching those things. So straight away we'll move to the exercise. Yeah. So we'll keep this in draft mode. Yeah. And make sure that your workbench is in top view, right? Yeah. Now the major axis is 120 mm and minor axis is 80 mm. So with that as a diameter, we will draw two circles with center as same. So first I'll draw the small circle. So take the go to circle option. So just get the center anywhere on the workbench and then drag it and then give. So here it is asking a radius. So there we have the diameter, right? So just give a radius as 40. Then convert this into flat lines to wireframe mode. And then again take the circle option. So just place over the circle and then extend the circle, and the major axis 120 mm. So radius will be uh, half of your diameter. So that is 60. And then convert this into a wireframe. Now select these two circles for a finer one. So that is the angular deflection is least possible 1 degree and then deviation 0.01. Yeah. Now we have drawn the circles. Now, so on your theory part, you will be dividing the both the circles into 12 equal parts. So if you want for the higher, very smoother curve, you can go for smaller and higher divisions. So as per the manual, they have taken 12 divisions. So we will
Sorry to interrupt, Shivani, sir. Dear students, if you have any doubt, kindly then and there get it cleared while you're doing the exercise itself. Right? Can make use of the hand raise button if you want to ask any question and get clarification. Yeah, is it now visible? As someone is saying that,
yeah, just
Nikhila is saying that we
pin
cannot
to
see
the
your screen from
presentation.
the, yeah, pin the presentation.
Yes,
There
sir,
will
I've
be,
pinned it.
yeah, then others you're able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
probably,
just kindly log out and then log in.
Yes, sir.
okay, sir, please proceed, sir.
Yeah. So now we will draw a line to the end of this larger circle. Now we will uh, copy or make this line into using array option 12 equal lines. So select this line, go to array, that is polar array. So number of elements to be 12 and then get the center. So that is the larger circle one. Yeah. Now we have got 12 equal divisions. See here, the we know that the axis should be of the dash lines, dash dot lines. So since by using this line we have used the array option, so whatever we do the changes here, it will be equally valid to all other level elements. So for example, if I take this line, if I change the from solid to dash dot, see all the other lines also have been changed into dash dot line, right? So this should not happen for us. Why? Because we want only the axis should be of this kind of line. So again, I will select this array and then convert into select the line. I will go to solid. So instead of that, uh, you just select the array option, so which will select all your other elements. So here we have upgrade and downgrade. So in the introduction class, Satya sir have given introduction on this. So this downgrade and upgrade is, so if you have, let us say a rectangle, so if you, by using, if you are drawing with the help of rectangle, I'll take, so I have drawn a rectangle like this. right? Now, if I select this, even though it is selected one, so it will be valid to all other lines. So if I want to divide in or make this as a separate element, you just select this and then give downgrade. See, you can select individual edges, right? So this is the advantage you can have from this downgrade. So then I will delete this. Same thing. So just select this, double click on downgrade. Now all your 11 elements has been uh, created as an individual elements now. So earlier it was a combined element. Now 11 individual elements we have. So with that we can create the center axis by clicking individual lines. Go to solid and dash dot. So hope that you understood this method. Now we have drawn the axis. Yeah. Now what we have to do is just the intersection of this division and the smaller circle division. So you have to make into a coincident point or in an intersection. You just for this point you just project to the left side and then project the point one to the down.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, can you repeat the last one, sir? That downgrade thing alone.
downward. Okay, fine.
So just undo and repeat.
Yeah, do it. Yeah. So first select all other for all the elements. So the 12 divisions we have selected, right? Then just double click on the downgrades. Now see all other elements we can take it as an individual element. So now you just select the axes, this one, and this one, and then change from solid to dash dot. So understood?
Srilalita, you got it?
Sir, I'm trying, sir.
What Sir said is, once you have created the array, once you click that array option, all the 12 lines simultaneously get selected. That should not be made in such a way to create a midpoint. So what Sir is suggesting is, click the array which will be available in the model combo view, and you press that array in that, and then use the, as Sir said, downgrade. Then all the 12 individual selection, all the 12 selection, it becomes an individual selection of lines. Yeah, please go ahead,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now uh, we want to create this points where the ellipse can be formed by connecting all these the intersection points. So first we have to get that intersection points. See, this is the first division of this small circle, and this is the first division of your larger circle. So likewise, all other 12 divisions you have to make 12 intersection points. So though the point 12, 3, 6 and 9 will not have any intersection points. Why? Because they are already on the edges. So even if you make the horizontal and vertical, the point will be lies on the end only. So that's why we won't focus on the other 4 points. So we'll concentrate on the rest of the points. So now from first division, you just projected the left side, and then from point 1, you project it downward. Now that intersection point is the required point where your curve passes through. Similarly, point 2, you just project left side horizontally and then downward vertically, and then you will get another point. Similarly, the right side. So you just project right side and then downward, and then you just project it right side and then you just project and downward vertically. So once if you have done either the top portion or else you can do the left portion, then you can mirror to the other side. So whichever is convenient for you, you can do. If you are willing to do for all the 11, 12 points, you can do, or else if you can do the upper half or the left half, then you can mirror it. Not a problem. Now we will start creating this intersection points. So just take the line option, find the intersection point, then project it leftward. So there is no any defined line. So just project it as much as you can. And then from here, just project it down. So just wherever you see that perpendicular option, you just click there. Then it will be okay.
Sorry to interrupt, sir.
Yeah.
Students, kindly ensure that whatever sir snap option is in on mode, that
Yeah.
should be in on.
Yeah.
Sir
Make
have
sure
said
that
some.
your modes have been.
Yeah, yes, sir. Sir said about intersection point. For that, you can see sir has enabled the intersection snap, and for the perpendicular, sir have enabled as well as the plus symbol, which is for the snap ortho. So you must look into that snap. Is everything on? Then only you can able to fit that intersection point perfectly. Thank you. Go ahead, sir, please.
Yeah. Thanks. Now similarly, we'll go for the text point. So take the line option. So we'll get the intersection point. Go horizontally. Again go to line. See, again you have the end point, the intersection point. Then project it downward. So wherever you find this perpendicular, just click there. Then it will be okay. Similarly, the right side. Again line, go to the same, project it downward. Then once it shows perpendicular, click that. Then again line, horizontal line. Again connect that line perpendicularly. Okay. So once you have done this, you can do the mirror. So we'll see.
So trim.
Yeah, so then we will use so go to trim option. So we'll select here. It's not happening. Go to line. Okay. Select this, go to trim option, and then place where you want. Select this line, go to trim. Yeah. So just to have like perfect edges. So though here not the lines have been extended. So then select the lines. So one way you can select by using control, or else you can see in the model tree. You can do that. So we'll go with the mirror option, then select this and this edge. So now we have got the top part and the bottom part. So is there any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is it necessary to trim the lines so that it will meet at a point, sir?
Yeah,
The
like only
perpendicular lines.
for the sake of neatness, we are
Okay, sir.
trimming.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now uh, the major part is finished. Now we want to draw this curve, right? To draw that curve, we'll be using the spline curve. So, so here you have the spline curve. Create a multiple point B spline curve. So click that curve. Now, so it is important. The intersection points are very, very important. So if you don't choose your intersection point properly, your curve will deviates. Okay. So choose properly. So start here, and then next intersection point is here. So until the next like final end point will be here itself. So continue till the end. So don't stop anywhere else. Or else you can do mirroring also, whichever is convenient for you. And then see, don't forget, this is also one of the intersection point. Since we are not, even though if you draw, it will be lies there only. Yeah. Now convert this into wireframe. Now, as usual, the angular deflection of 1 degree and then deviation 0.01. So it's not being changed. Yeah. See, now the, yes, sir.
Uh, Students, if you are not able to end the spline while you are taking that, there will be option to finish, continue on the left hand side. So
Okay.
kindly click that. No, sir, you done it actually. Maybe some of the students might have missed out.
Okay.
And we got a question to repeat the same procedure of spyline by Shiva Kartika. Please, sir.
Yeah. So do you want me to repeat Shivakartika? Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
I'll delete this one. Yeah. So go to the drawing tool. So just select the B spline. Now you start from the enter point, like starting point. So where you see the intersection point is there, right? Or the end, then you start from there. And then the end point will be also there only. If at all you're not using the mirror option. So if you are using mirror option, you can end here itself, or else you probably you may end this point itself. So I'm not going mirror, then I will be ending there. So I'll be starting here. So go to this intersection point, click it. Automatically the curve follows. Okay, so you need not to do anything there. So just selection of proper intersection point is important. And then this one, and then so here, this one, here, and then this end.
Sir, can you just finish it here under the mirror? There'll be
Okay, sir.
other option can also be. Yeah, you can see this student. There is a finish close option in the left hand side.
See, so I'll be
So,
stopping here and then
so you kindly click the finish button, sir.
you can come and give here finish.
Yeah.
So now you can just click this and then go to mirror option. You just select the axis on which you want to mirror it. See now it has been mirrored. Select both the curves. So since it is two individual curves, you have to select both the things and then convert into 1 degree and then deviation of 0.01. So understood? Or
Shiva Kartikeya, hope you are able to understand.
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Sir, can
So
you? Is it possible to change the color, sir?
yeah. So actually our answer here it was asked to the curve, the elliptical curve, right? So we have to highlight that particular curve. So one way you do in your engineering graphics is you may be thickening the curve or else it will be light one. So whichever you do, you can follow. So here you can do by selecting this, either you can increase the thickness. So if I select these two curves, so here under the object style, you have term called line width. You can make it 3. See, it will be much thicker than other two circles. Or else, if you select this, and you can change the color. So here you have line color. So default it is 25. Click this, and again click here. So you can select the color which you want. So since our PDF is the background will be of white color, according to that you just select it. So I'll go with the any other brown or this color. Okay. So I'll go with red. So it will be visible for you easier. Yeah. Yeah. So in this way you can highlight the curve. So, so are you able to understand how to change the line color?
Yes, sir. Please
Yeah.
proceed.
So now we have finished the major part, and next is the dimensioning and the annotations. The major axis A and B is represented horizontally and C and D on the vertical one. So for that, we will go with the text option. So go to text. So hope everybody knows what to do here. So just click where you want to have the text. So I'll go with the below and then give A, shift A to be in caps. And then create text. See, now the size is smaller. So select that, increase the text size, that is 5 mm or else. And then you can change what type of you want here, the different text size. So we'll go the Times New Roman. See, now the text style has been changed. So again, select this. So I'll go with the higher size of 7. Now it will be easier to see. So I will move it. Yeah. Now again, see here, actually we are individually we are giving the text and coming and then going again clicking the text. So in order to avoid that, again you just give the text option. Again select where you want. I'll take here. So I'll take this B. Here the option you have called continue. So if you click this, so whenever you want the once if you enable the text option, you can continuously give the text. So give text and then create. So again, see now still it is in text mode. So I'll go and give here above, that is C, and then create text, and then again go down here. Again I'll give D, and then create text. So if I don't want, I can give close, right? So I'll change the text size. So come here. So and then font name is Times. So this is not necessary. So just for differentiation, I'm doing this. Then move this. Yeah. See now we have marked A, B, C, D. Now we'll mark the outer divisions and then inner circle divisions. So go to text. Here one. So enable the continue option. Then give create. Again you can create here. Then 2, create text. So here 3, create text. Here 4, again create text.
Dear students, kindly look how Sir is carrying out. Sir have enabled the continue option in the text. If you are not enabled the continue option, it is required for you to every time press the A2. So that's what Sir have told. I'm just re-insisting the same. So once you've taken the A text, kindly press that dialog box continue. That way it reduces the time to again take with the alphabet. Thank you, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah. So here 5, create text. So here 6, create text. So here 7, here 8, create text. Here 9, create. So here 10, create. So here 11, create. Then here 12, create text, and then give close. So we have marked the other points. So just do the positioning. So by selecting this, you just drag closer to the point. Okay. Now same thing we'll do for the inner one. So again, select the text. So select here the parallel to this. Here now the inner circle, the divisions will be of will denote with the one like 1 dash and 2 dash 3 dash. So in such a way we will be giving the notation. So for that you select 1, and then by using your keyboard you have the parenthesis, right? So there you can give the single apostrophe, that is 1 dash, and then give continue, and then give create text. So we'll get 1 dash here. Similarly here 2 dash. create text. Here 3 dash create text. So here 4 dash, and then here 5 create text. To 6th create text, and then 7th here. And then 8th here, 9th here, create text, and 10th here. So 10 dash, and 11 and 12. So 11 and then 12. So create text and then give close. So I'll just position this, adjust its position. Yeah. Now we have given the numbering for the divisions, the major circle and then minor circle divisions. And then we have to represent the constant like intersection points with 0.1, 0.2 until P12. This same, the procedure is same. So go to text and select the just select any near position to the intersection point. Then click there. Just keep it in caps mode and P1. And then give continue, create text. So here also, so click here, P2. So here, so we don't have P3 and we'll have P5 here. P5.
P4, sir.
Oh, I thought anyhow. Okay, P4, sorry. So I'll close here. And edit here.
The data, sir.
Yeah.
Next to view, we have data.
Yeah. So here you have text. So here you can edit the point P4. Now again go to text. So here P5 will continue, create text. So here P7 create text. So here P8 create text. So we omit P9 and then here P10, then here P11 create text and then close it. So now we have created the points also. So we'll adjust the text height. So big. So now rest of the things by using shift, you can continue all other p values. Yeah. So text height will give 5. Yeah. So just adjust the position. So wherever you see an intersection, you just change the positions. Now give the yeah. Now we'll give the dimensions. So go to the dimension. So we'll take the horizontal axis and then dimension. From here. Yeah. Now do the changes, necessary changes. Select these two dimensions. So arrow size will give, yeah, 3. So dimension overshoot 1.5 extension. So this one I'll just give 0. And then flip text. Yeah, okay. Uh, Font size you can give 5. Show unit change into false. So here I think flip the app. True. Yes. Now, uh, so we'll write all dimensions in mm. So go to text. So I'll be choosing here all dimensions are in mm. Give create text. Select this. So change the text size. So and place it at the center. Yeah. So yeah. Now you can create any rectangle to place that properly. So I'll take that rectangle, create it like this, and then convert into wireframe mode.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Once you created this rectangle, students are requested to write the registration number, exercise name, and date.
So yeah, those things is mandatory for you all the exercises, guys. And then so keep it this fits the whole content on the screen. Okay, so once you're done, so create the file and export to PDF.
Please proceed with Control P, sir. Some of the students conveying export PDF is not fits in a proper routing. So
Oh,
kindly press the Control P and proceed.
you take the
Students,
option Control P. Yeah. So here you have Microsoft Print to PDF. So just give.
sir, 1 minute, sir. Preferences,
Oh,
change a portrait to
okay.
orientation from portrait to landscape, sir.
So you just okay. Give apply, then give print. Right, sir. For most of the people, they don't have that option.
Sir, probably they are not now using the original
Oh,
version of Microsoft.
okay. So just save it the file. Yeah, so that's it regarding the your uh, problem number 2. So is there any doubt in problem number 2?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope students are able to finish, of course, following it up and finish the exercise. So, since we have time, sir, can we proceed to discuss the problem number 3, sir?
Yeah, fine, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, students, once you finish it, kindly save this exercise with name of your registration number and exercise number 2. Open up the
Shall we
new
give
exercise.
some 10 minutes time, sir?
Sir,
Uh,
okay, sir. By 6, maybe by next 5 minutes of time, you can start the session, sir.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir would start by 4:07, right? 4:07, 4:08. Now it's 4:04. So we will give 4 minutes more. So you try to finish, and sir would start the next exercise. So if you have already finished, so you can see sir is showing the PDF. So everything is perfect
See,
coming up for
many
sir.
people are not giving the fit option, right? So that's why few people have seen your only are getting the half of the diagram. So please make that changes, okay? Like future classes.
Sir, marking them as A, B, that alone you repeat, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So this one now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I'll delete this. Yeah, yes. Uh, First, go to the create a multi-line annotation. Then choose the location where you want to create the text. So I want to create the below this line, and then I'm clicking here. Then give caps, and then the usual letters, the A, and then give close. Sorry, create text I have not given. So right here, cap A, create text. Since in the manual they have no, even though there is no differentiation, for differentiation I have changed the font style. So, so just you can select this text, you can just roll this down. Here you can check Times New Roman, and then select that and give text font size can increase. So whichever is convenient for you, either maximum 9 we won't cross. So there you just check your like visual things and then give enter. So just since it is intersecting, I will change its position to here. Now similarly, you just take this text. Now I will take here B. Now I don't want to again go to the text option. So for that, I will give continue option. I'll give multiple text. So create text. Again, I will go here. Again, I will see and again create text and go top until you're closing that, it will not be ending. So again here, again D and give create text. Now you have to close the text. Why? Because the required alphabets we have given. So necessary things. Then close. So select all those 4 text. So it will be last. This one. Then change the font name to Times New Roman and font size to 7. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So that P1, P2 and all, should we not change the size for that? P1, P2 and all. Don't need?
Yeah. So by default, it is the text height is 3 mm. You just make it to
Yeah.
5,
Okay.
or else. So if your eyesight is good, you can see which is it is properly visible or not, right? Then you
Okay.
can alter the text height. Yeah. Any doubts? Still?
Yeah, so the height of the font size is depends on the person who design it. Because too much of
Hmm.
text will not looks like good
Yeah.
when the final we wanted of it. So basically, you can decide of that. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. We can
Yeah.
proceed for the next exercise. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So hope that
So sorry.
everybody understood this.
So
Sir.
sorry. Yeah. Meanwhile, if you students, if you are able to do it by your own, you can, as sir already quoted, you kindly proceed with your way of doing it. And sir obviously telling the easier method to proceed. So you need not to wait for us to teach each and every step. Kindly proceed when you are able to carry out the exercises by your own. Over to Subhani, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Everybody at least understood how to draw this by using simple things, right? So if you know the procedure, it is, and if you know the tools, you can finish it within hardly 10 minutes, right? Within. Now we'll move on to the next problem, that is problem number 3. So the exercises similar. Our purpose is to draw the ellipse, and then the method is different. So the earlier method is of concentric circle method, and this is of a rectangle method. So hope you might have known this in your engineering graphics, right? Okay. Now we'll see how to draw this. So I'll clear this. I'll close. Uh, so it is in draft mode, okay, and make sure it is in top view. Yeah. Yeah. So what they're asking is draw the ellipse, major and minor axis equal to 120 mm and 80 mm. So the major axis, that is the length 120 mm and the height is 80 mm, respectively, using the rectangle method. So take a line. So just choose the center and then draw a length of 120 mm. Again, go to line, draw a vertical of length 80 mm. Now we just create a rectangle with the 120 cross 80 mm. So 120, can join here. Yeah. Now we have created the rectangle. Now see, this rectangle is it is having here the midpoint and here the axis, nothing but. So we'll create first that axis. So take the line. See now. So please do enable the.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, repeat that rectangle, sir. One more.
Hey, this is normal rectangle, man. Okay, fine. Okay, you know how to draw line, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you just draw a line of 120 mm length, go to again line, so choose this end point, so make it, if you enable the all the options, you will get this ortho, then give the length, so the height is 80 mm, so give 80 and then enter it, so you'll get 80 mm vertical line. Again go to length or line, so select other end point and then draw a horizontal line of length 120 mm. Again go to line, again select this end point, so move it downward, so make it the length 80 mm. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So now we will create the axis or the midpoints, that is the major and minor axis. So before that, make sure that your options are enabled. So go to line, so I'll take the midpoint and then draw it. Again go to line, then draw this. Yeah, so select these two lines for converting it to center line. Draw style, change it to dash dot. Yes, now you have got the axis. Now in your rectangle method, what we do is we will divide the this vertical line and this horizontal axis into equal number of divisions. See, this vertical line is divided into, let us say I'll take the above half, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is divided into 4 equal divisions. If it is of 8 mm length means, so 8 divided by 4. So each division is of 2 mm line. The length is, so in such a way it is divided. Similarly, this side also 4 equal segments. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, all the time these two divisions should be of equal. Okay, if your divisions are not equal, your ellipse will not be proper. So obviously you'll be lefting behind one another or any other points, right? So make sure that you have equal divisions all the time. Now first divide this line into equal number of parts. So here this above 4 and below 4, it means it is equally divided into 8 segments, 8 equal number of divisions. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 4. So it is divided into 8 equal divisions. Like we have drawn in the earlier ellipse, here also if you have drawn any half, either top or bottom, you can do the mirror image, right? So if you side mirror image, it will be easier to draw, right? So once if you divide this, then you need to join from the center to all 8 divisions. So upper 3 and then bottom 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we will divide this and then we will look after this. So for that, I'll take, for example, I'm showing, so I'll draw a line. So it will be taking off 4 mm, sorry, 4 mm length. Yeah, I have taken the align this. So now once if you select this, if you come to divisions in the data, you have called subdivisions. See here by default it is the number of subdivisions is 0. Now if I enter subdivision number 1, what it is doing, See, it is taking this as half and this is half. It means that it is equally dividing the line into two equal parts, right? Now, same if I select that and if I give number 2 and then enter, what is happening? It is divided into three equal number of parts. It means that if I want 8 equal number of divisions, what is the subdivision number I have to give? Guys,
7.
yeah, so 7. So if the divisions value is 7, the number of equal divisions will be n plus 1. That is 7 plus 1. You will be getting 8 equal number of divisions. So that's to tell that only I have given this rough idea. So I'll delete this. Okay. Now I'll select this line and then go to subdivisions. I'll give number of subdivisions given to be 7. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The final one is 8. So, are you able to understand how to divide this into equal number of segments? Is there any confusion?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Yeah. So again, I will select this line and then again I will give 7. So this will be also automatically divided into 8 equal number of divisions. Now, see a center, you just join or you just project a line to meet this point 3 or intersect this point for first 3. So go to line. So select the midpoint. See, so don't go for the midpoint. So go to the end point. So end point and midpoint are different. So
Sir,
for end
kindly,
point,
excuse
yes,
me, sir. Kindly guide them to disable the endpoint and midpoint in the snap option, sir.
yeah, fine. So first you just unselect all this. Okay. See, you have snap end point. So only select that option. Go to line and then here. See, other end point is given here. Again, go to line. So,
Sir, make use of continue, sir.
oh
Okay,
yeah,
like
fine.
mirror it. Okay, thank you, thank you.
So here, so here. Yeah. So from here, we have drawn for first 3, right? Now similarly, so from B, you just draw till this on the horizontal axis. So again, go to line. So from here, so here, you can take the line, this point, again, take the line. So here, and then this end point. Now we have drawn the lines. Now, next thing is, if you look at here, so 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. So these 3 lines are projected to intersect these lines like 1, 2, 3. So from 1, you just extend the line to P1. From 2, you just extend the line to P2. From 3, you just extend the line to P3. Right? See, you just follow from only 1 to 1. So few people, all they will be doing is they will take this 3 and they will be joining the 1. So they will take 2 and they will, so 2 will be coming properly. Again 1 they will take, so they will be confusing. So don't go for such confusions. So the numbering order should be, you have to follow. If you're giving the order from bottom side, 1, 2, 3, same order you just take from the this side, 1, 2, 3. Then it will be easier to identify. So 1 should be connected to 1 line, 2 should be connected to 2, 3 should be connected to 3, right? So just keep this thing in your mind. If not, you'll be confusing this 3 and 1 all the time, because for some other problems the divisions will be of higher, so we cannot tell all the time you'll get the same numerical value, right? Now again I will go to extend option. So trim or extend, select this line, sorry,
Sir,
yes.
sir, how did you divide that side of a rectangle into 8 equal parts, sir?
Hey, that's what I
Yes.
asked, right? Any doubt?
Shubhani sir, I will proceed. You kindly go ahead with yourself.
Yeah.
Mukesh Prasanna, you select one side of the rectangle,
Okay, sir.
select the vertical line on the left hand side.
Yes,
Once
sir.
you selected, there will be a option in the property view which is referred as subdivision.
Yes, sir.
In that subdivision, give the value as 7.
Okay,
That way,
sir.
your vertical line get converted into 8 equal parts.
Okay,
Similarly,
sir.
do this for the axis horizontal line. The same
Yes, sir.
7 to be given for subdivision, that you end up with the 8 number of equal parts.
Yes, sir. I was able to do it for the horizontal line, sir.
Yeah, for the vertical also. If the thing you have created the rectangle with the option of rectangle straight away, you
Yes,
will
sir.
not get the dimension. So for
O-
that, select the rectangle and use the downgrade option. That
Okay, sir.
symbols are shown now.
Yes,
So
sir.
you once you so sir have guided you in the way to draw the rectangle by 4 line options.
Yes,
Sir have
sir.
created a line, bottom line, and then close the rectangle.
Yes,
So
sir.
instead, if you are not only use anybody create the rectangle with the rectangle option which is readily available, you will not able to get the subdivision into equal number of parts. For that, you select the rectangle and sorry showing the downgrade symbol.
Yes, sir.
Then the rectangle becomes 4 single lines. With
Okay,
that
sir.
single lines, you can carry on. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
please go ahead, sir.
Yeah. So just extend the lines to uh, join these lines. So go to select this line, go to trim or extend line, select the here. So again, you select the options.
Sir, just click the line, sir.
Yeah. So you can extend till there. Similarly, other lines. So select this line. So go to trim or extend. So just select this line and click it. Similarly, select this line, trim or extend, third line. Okay. Now we have joined this. Now from D, you just uh, draw a line for 1 dash, 2 dash, and 3 dash. So take the line. Yes, sir.
Sir, can we mirror that all the answer
So
or
this
all
thing.
the 4 sides? We can mirror on the right hand side and all the top can be mirrored to the bottom side.
Yeah, fine then. So just select this 3 lines and then go to
Sir, this 3 inclined line also, sir. Total 6 lines. Yes, sir.
first I will do bottom, then I will do right side.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, like I said, what I planned was after drawing this, I can do mirror, I thought.
We need all the 6 intersection on all the 4 quadrants. That's why.
Okay, fine.
Thank
So
you, sir.
just take this. Then you just do mirror to the right side. So go to the mirror, select this axis, this end point, and then this end point. So we got the to right side. Now, so we'll draw from D to this point. So go to line. So select the midpoint.
Sir, that also can be mirrored from the top, sir. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, fine.
The first top 2 quadrants can be selected, all the lines to be selected, and we can mirror to the bottom, sir.
Yeah, fine. So this one and all, select all the 6 lines. Then go to mirror. And then this point. Yeah. Now you just project it. Go to line. Same thing. Now we have, so from C, you just draw to any one side and then you can just project it. So take the line, then draw to this end point. Again, take the line. So go to midpoint and this second intersection point. Again, line, this midpoint, and this end point. So this is 1. So just drag it to extend to point number 1. So 1 to 1 dash. First, select the line. Go to trim or extend option. Once it gets highlighted, click there. And second line, go to extend option, go to the second line, and then once it highlighted, click it. So third line, go to extend option, and then highlight the third one, and then OK. Now once select this, you just mirror it. So go to mirror option, to mirror on this vertical axis. Yes. Now we have got almost all.
So which one should we mirror, the 3 which you drew right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, as sir told, that is, sorry sir, as so sir told, that is one way. Sir have made the steps again in order for you to understand. Other ways, if you are able to complete one top left hand side quadrant, that is coming from top to joining of like inclined one. So once you get the intersection P1, P2, P3 in one quadrant, for all other quadrant we can do the mirror option also. From left to right. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So sir was saying that if you just finish this left quadrant, is that right?
Left
so
top
if you just
corner.
finish this. Yeah.
Left top quadrant alone, sir.
Yeah, fine. Whichever you finish, you just do it the mirror to the down, and then you can just select all the things, and then you can do the right mirror.
Yes, sir. Super. Thank you, sir.
See, whichever way you are convenient, you can follow, right? So we are telling only to save the time. So if you want to save the time, you just follow whichever is easier, right?
No, sir. What you did is correct, because some other student again will ask the same step once again for do the extension.
Yeah, that's right.
That's why you have made it for the second time. Yeah, thank you.
See, once if you're using the software for frequently, you know the short things, and then you'll do fastly. Okay. So in exam, they don't ask what is how the procedure you're drawn. Fine. Now we have got the all intersection points. Now you just use this spline option. Then you just connect you can just draw one half, one quadrant is enough. You can do the mirror bottom and you can move the right side, entire thing. So go to the spline option. So take this and then intersection point, second P2. So you just disable the options. I'll just select the center.
Cross.
Yeah, intersection point, sorry. So go to line.
10 point.
So here and then here. Close it. Now once you select this, you just change the you go to view, angular deflection of 1 degree, deviation 0.01. Now select the curve. You just do the mirroring. So I'll select here. Oh, no, not getting. Yes. And then select both the curves. Do the mirror. So top. And then right. See? So by using only one quadrant curve, we have created other 4. Now select the curve to highlight the curve. Okay. So this one, this, this. Line width increase to 3, and then point or
Sir, curve alone again, sir, please.
go to line. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, curve alone again, sir.
Curve.
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you can make only one curve, sir. She will understand, sir.
So whatever again they'll ask. So
Okay, sir.
see, now we have got all other intersection points, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, this one has completed in your EG theory class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then fine. Now we have got all other intersection points. So first go to the spline. So make sure that your option is enable the snap intersection, or else at least the uh, end point. Why? Because we have the end point is also there. We can use any other thing. So go to this intersection point, and then this is our first P1. And then so here is the next intersection point. So this is a P2. See here P2. See here P3. Here P4. So then come and close. So you understood this how to draw now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you just select this, do mirroring. So mirror. So this n and this n. So we have got here. Yeah. Sorry. Before doing this, you just make the necessary things, that is angular deflection to be 1. So you need not to do for other things. 0.01. Select this, mirror, so here, and then this point. Now select both the curves and you do mirror to the right side. So this point and then this end point. Yeah. Now,
Yes.
yeah, you just all other curves to change the line color. So I'll take line width to 3 mm, line color go to red. Yeah. So that is what it was asked. Now the rest of the things, you know, go to dimensioning. So I'll take end point to this one.
Sir, your selected text.
Sorry, dimension. Again, dimension. Yes. So do the necessary changes. So the extension line is 1.5. Here is 1.5.
So for the box, which option did you use for the box?
This is general. By using line option, we can
it's
use.
already okay. It's already there.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Rectangle for the outer.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. And then view the texting. So I'll start from here. That is P. You continue, create text. So here, Q, create text, R, create text, yes, and create text, give close. No, so we can change the height. So do you want me to do the like annotation for all other things, or is that enough, guys?
You can do, sir.
So hope everybody knows, right, how to give the texting. So still anybody want to do the texting?
No, sir. They can
Fine, right?
do by their own.
Yeah.
They can do by
Yeah.
their own.
So this is an like overview to just make you to understand how to draw the two problems in today's exercise. So hope that you have understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhani, sir. Hope guys you have understood all the steps to create. So I explained in detail of all the things. The understanding here is in the first few classes, like for the last 3 classes, we introduced the software to you, as well as we have given the step-wise procedure for the first 3 exercises. Hereafter, you need not to wait for the faculty to teach you, because major tools, major steps we have already covered it. Right. Apart from that, the step-wise procedure in the written form is also given in the manual, so you can check it out all that things. So if it is possible, you just try it by your own. So the assignment for the exercise number 2 and 3 as of now is created in the GCR. So once you finish, you can upload in second separately. So you should not upload both second and third in the same assignment, because individual assignment will be graded. So second assignment separately upload in the exercise number 2 GC, the assignment created for the JCR, and third separately in the JCR. Right. So do you have anybody have any doubt? You can get it clear here itself. And someone has asked about that 34-bit and 32-bit and 64-bit. So the current version, official version, is available in the FreeCAD website is 64-bit, Windows 7 and Windows 10. If it is, if your system is not with compatible with 64, what you're supposed to do is, just imagine you have a 32-bit of system. Kindly download the same software which is for 64-bit. While installing, you can right-click the installed, the downloaded area as a downloaded file. Right-click and you may have an option called install with the compatibility mode. So if you use that option, automatically you can end up with to the maximum of proper compatible to your system. If not, try to change over your system with the original Windows 10, jumping over migration from 7 to 10. And one more important point, so you may all aware of that Windows 11 is on yet to release. So we request you, myself and Shubhani sir, we all request you as a faculty group, we are request you not to install the Windows 11 as of now, right? Even if you are able to get any pirated from any other third-party websites, don't install. It may have an issue with the already installed the FreeCAD. The FreeCAD you are going to get installed with the Windows 11. So don't do anything at least for the next 2-3 months till you complete this lab exercises. Okay. Over to Shubhani sir for any further explanation if students report.
Yeah, that's it, guys. If we have any doubts in the drawing, so you can ask us.
Sir, can you please post this video as soon as possible, sir?
Yeah, so once this, yeah, I hope I could able to answer Subhani sir. So the recording will get recorded in my drive link. So whenever we finish this meeting, within 20 minutes, I'll be receiving the mail of this recording. So after that, every time I used to post in the same day. Last time there was an issue, so that's why the next day also we have posted it. No problem.
Yes,
On the
sir.
same day, we try to post it. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, guys, if you doesn't have any doubt, you can start leaving the session. Thank you. Good day. All the best to everyone. Thank you,
Thank you.
Shivani.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can be there and ask your question. If not, you can leave the session. Thank you. Thank you,
Sure.
Shivani, sir.
So you can stop recording, sir.